This is a 10-inch djembe drum that I use in interactive rhythm events. This one has a giraffe design on it. You can find this one and many more, along with this traditional kashishi shaker, for purchase online at rhythmpath.com. Now, even if you do not have a djembe drum or a traditional percussion instrument, you can find great sounding instruments around your home. These instruments are called found sounds, and I wanted to show you just a few that I found in my home. First is a jar that I filled with beads to make a shaker. Next, I have some egg cartons. You can play them together. Or you can also use a wooden spoon to play like a scraper. This is one of my favorite sounds that I found in my kitchen. It's a bundt cake pan. You can also place it on your leg to mute it. An exercise ball has become really popular as a percussion instrument, and it's really fun to play with spoons. Play really fast. I found this large salad bowl in my kitchen that has a lid, and this one makes a great hand drum sound. Play in the middle, near the edge. Hold it in your lap. And flip it over. And of course, you can always make body percussion sounds by playing on your stomach, playing on your legs, clapping, snapping, and of course, stomping. There's a long-time tradition throughout many cultures to use what you have around you as a musical instrument. The modern cajon drum, which literally means box in Spanish, can trace its roots back to many Spanish colonies such as Peru, where people used fruit boxes as hand drums. One time when I was in Senegal, I remember people getting out their large cooking pots to play with their hands and spoons while singing and drumming together. Musical sounds are everywhere, and I hope you enjoy finding some great sounds that you can play today.